Hello creative souls and welcome to this week's video. I am in Birdie and we're just getting ready to go to Glastonbury today. I really want to have a look around the weird and wonderful shops in the town centre, and hopefully we'll get to the Abbey at some point. It's steeped in folklore and mythology and it goes way back, and apparently King Arthur's tomb was found there. He was buried with Lady Guinevere, his wife. So I'm looking forward to tracking that down. My husband's going to be with me today, and also we'll be taking Audrey, who's very excited to go out for the day. I'm taking just a few art supplies with me today because I really would like to just sort of sit and take in the ambience and maybe do a quick sketch or some watercolour. I'm not sure yet, but what I'm taking with me, I'm actually taking the Viviva colour sheets. I really enjoy using these. I love the vibrancy of these with a waterbrush pen, just quick and loose. So I'm taking those along with me. I've got my art toolkit. I absolutely love this art toolkit. You know by now what I've got in here. I've done several videos. That's what it looks like. I've got my little Stillman and Burn sketchbook in there, and I'm taking this along today. It is oh gosh, is it Pentel, and it's filled with grey ink. I doubt I'll use it, but you know what it's like. And I've got a little mister in there as well. I'm taking along this little Sea Whites of Brighton A6 journal. I must admit, I'm not keen on the Stillman and Burn paper. It's very smooth and it's very thin, and I'm used to sort of more watercolour paper. Just personal preference, so I'm taking this with me. I've already done a few sort of loose watercolour landscapes in here. These are all down in Cornwall, and this one was viewed. This was with the Viviva colour sheets. That was from a photograph, not sort of at the place Plein, but I'm going to be using that today. So I'll let you know how I get on. I hope you enjoy the video. Sit back, relax and grab a cuppa, and let's go to Glastonbury. We are off to Glastonbury today, aren't we, Audrey? So she's in her bed in the back because my husband's going to be coming with us today, and we're just getting ready to go. Let's shut you in. Okay, so I've made it through some pretty hairy country roads, but we've parked in the Morrison's car park. Thanks to Tristan and Kez. I will leave the link in the description below. Audrey seems to be very excited to get into the medieval kitchen garden. Not quite sure why. Possibly for food. The energy here is just so lovely and calm. It's the autumn equinox today, and although the temperature's a lot cooler, the skies are clear blue, and it's just such an ethereal place. We're just back from Glastonbury, and I've just unpacked my bag, and I'll show you the eclectic mix of what I bought whilst I was in Glastonbury. And I did manage to do a quick bit of artwork of part of the abbey where King Arthur's tomb is. So first of all, there was a lovely art shop there, and so I picked up some raw sienna, which is the Daler and Rowney System 3, and I picked up some oxide of chromium green. Just couldn't resist those. And then my husband said to me, we were walking past a florist, and he said, "Oh, would you like a bunch of flowers?" And I said, "No, I'd much prefer these gourds." It was 3 for £5, and I said they would be really cool to paint. So yeah, you can't woo me with flowers, you can woo me with interesting vegetables. Bit odd. I got this little book. This was actually at the Abbey, Glastonbury, the Isle of Avalon, and this has just got lots of information in here, so I thought I would sit down in a minute with a cup of tea and just have a little look through. Very spiritual place, lots of mythology and folklore, and for me, King Arthur, his tomb is there, found by monks. I bought a little token for a friend who's going to be travelling very, very soon. And I went in this lovely card shop and bought a couple of cards. Let me just see if I can prop the camera up somewhere. Okay, I've got the camera sort of balanced at a really weird angle, but I can't hold the camera and open this bag. So this was a little cafe with a gift shop, and it has some really lovely cards. So I got that one. This is a sweet magnolia designed by Lisa Sheldrake for Happy Glastonbury. There we go. So I love the colours on that one. And this one's got Glastonbury Tour. And this does look autumnal. It's got a sunflower down there and obviously the oranges as well. So they had so many cards. And so I got a couple. And then the artwork that I did, I used the Viviva colour sheets and a waterbrush. And I literally just sat for 10 minutes, didn't even do a sketch, just put some colour on the page. There we go. And the sky was bright blue today. It was just absolutely beautiful. There we go. Okay, I thought I would do the ending to this video back in the van. I'm back at home now, and I've made myself a cup of tea, and I've brought out my new little book with me, And it's fascinating already, just on the front page, or on the first page, should I say, the introduction. It says, did Jesus really visit here? Do King Arthur and Queen Guinevere actually lie buried here in the Avalon of legend? So many of the mysteries surrounding Glastonbury may never be proven. Fab. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this week's video. We're taking Birdie down to Cornwall this week, so the next video will show hopefully a few day trips out in Birdie, see how we get on down there. And as always, give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and share with someone who you might think might like my videos. Anyway, thank you for watching.